Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you will see the plus button which you can use to open a photo. After allowing access to your gallery and choosing your photo, you will be taken into the edit menu. Now if you wish to add any text to your photo, then tap on the tools option. From this option, scroll down and you will find the text. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you will be asked to double tap in order to change your text. You can double tap this and you will see the text dialog. Just enter your desired text within this box and tap on the OK button. And now you can tap on the style option in order to change your text style. After entering your desired style, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And now you can tap on export in order to export your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a text onto your image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.